Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors taking you around this 2019 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive premium. This one seen here, black on black, is just a gorgeous vehicle with that brushed aluminum trim, illuminated door handles. You'll notice that this one does have 19-inch Michelin tires on it. Coming around the back, this vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6, power rear liftgate, plenty of storage here in the back for anything that you need. This one also does come with a cargo shade if needed. Behind that cover, you'll find a towing package. No dents, dings, smells, anything on it. Really a nice vehicle. In the mirror, we'll see if we can get it to focus. You're going to notice that little star is actually in the top left is going to be the safety package, giving you side blind zone assistance. Just an all-around good-looking vehicle. As we look inside, you'll notice that this vehicle has 16,000 miles on it. Some nice blue lighting throughout the vehicle. Accent lighting. Door panels are gorgeous with this brushed aluminum right on there, and it's, you know, real aluminum. It feels really nice to the touch. Really premium quality features you're going to notice throughout this vehicle. Your memory seats controls are there, as well as a liftgate control back there. Power seat with lumbar support. All right, inside you're going to notice you do have the leather wrapped steering wheel, as well as your controls here to reconfigure all of that. Crash collision alert right here. Lane keep assist, as well as a heated steering wheel. Over on the touchscreen, you're going to notice, let's see if we can get this to focus in a little bit better. There we go. You do have audio, phone controls, as well as projection to link up your phone directly to the screen and mirror it on there, so that you do have premium capability with your phone to mirror your different options on there. This one also comes equipped with navigation, climate control. It's really nice, and then to adjust the volume, all you have to do is swipe right there. One of the great things about this vehicle, especially if you're not a fan of touchscreen for controlling these different things, when you click this, and it's hard to tell, but there's actually a button behind this. So you have a little bit of feedback, which is super nice. Controls are really easy right here to switch, and if you need more, you can always adjust the temperature up on the climate control. A nice shifter right here. All-wheel drive is selectable right there for you. There we go. Cup holders right there. Another nice feature on this vehicle is going to be the panoramic sunroof. In the back seat, you're also going to notice that they have plenty of leg room that can actually be adjusted if you need more room in the back or more room in the front, because these seats do go back and forth and they are on a slider. They also have heated outboard seats, as well as their own climate control. Simply pressing there. Plus, looking up, you're going to notice that they still have that big, massive sunroof. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2019 Cadillac Premium Luxury XT5, please feel free to give us a call at 715-256-2900 or check out the link below for more details. Thanks.